given that cos s is equal to 3 over 5, calculate the tan s. We're told to calculate tan s, and here we have the option A, option B, option C, and option D. This is quite very simple. So let's see this step by step and how to solve this math question. So let's say we have the solution. Okay, now we're given that we have a cos. Okay, we have a cos s is equal to, that is 3 over 5. Okay, but the question is telling you to find what? Tan s. So tan s is unknown. Now, in order to solve this question, you should remember the from trigonometry ratio, that is shown about a SOHCAHTOA. Okay, that's we use SOHCAHTOA. Now, what to be the SOHCAHTOA? You have the so, that is s on, that is so. Okay, we have ka. Okay, we have toa. So that means sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So that is it. But we're told to find what? Tan s, and tan s is equal to, that will be the opposite over adjacent. That is what we're told to find. Okay, let me break it down there. That is 2 we're told to find 2 that is tan, that is equal to, that is tan what? Tan s, it will be equal to, we have the opposite, okay, over adjacent. Okay, it will be opposite over adjacent. Now, and you have our tan, which is our cos. Our cos, that is cos s is equal to tan here, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. We have what? Adjacent, okay, over what? Hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse, that's hypotenuse. And now in this place now, if you, how do you get your adjacent, how do you get your opposite? So in this place, we have our adjacent here to be equal to 3, and you have our hypotenuse to be equal to 5. So let me analyze it with the right angle triangle to make it more clear. So let's say that we have our right angle triangle here. Okay, let's say we have a right angle triangle here. So let's say this is our right angle triangle, and this is the larger side of it, which is our hypotenuse. The right angle triangle, the larger side is equal to hypotenuse. Okay, let's say this angle, we have the angle here, which is the angle S. Okay, since the larger side is the hypotenuse here, and this place, angle S, the angle that faces it here, the side that faces this angle here, it will be opposite. So this would be hypotenuse. This would be hypotenuse. Why this one to be what? The side that faces the angle. If the angle is located here, this to be opposite. But if the angle is located here, this will be the opposite. But I located the angle here as angle S, so this will be the opposite. So it means that we have the opposite here. Why this one becomes adjacent. Now in the question, we give that cos is given at 3 over 5. Therefore, the adjacent is equal to 3. So this adjacent here is equal to 3 here, and the hypotenuse is equal to 5. That is why I write it here as 5. I get that. Now we're going to find tan, and tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. And here we have an opposite here, which is not given. So we'll look for opposite first, and here adjacent is given as 3. Do you understand? Now, how do we get it? This is where you apply Pythagoras theorems. Okay, Pythagoras theorem said that a square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. That means that the square of the hypotenuse here, okay, that is the square of hypotenuse here, let me say IP, okay, square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. That is opposite what? Opposite square plus what? Adjacent what? Square. Yes, now, and our hypotenuse, that is given as 5. So we have 5 was 5 square is equal to our opposite. That is what we're looking for. So let's say the opposite here. Let's say the opposite represent as y. So the opposite is equal to y. Okay, y square plus okay, and the adjacent, and adjacent is equal to 3 or 3s. So in this way we can collect the like time. Just on we collect like time. So let me try to create more space. So let's collect the lactane here. So when you collect lactane, we have our y. What is, sorry, my pen has been out. So we have our y. Our y is equal to y square, okay, equal to, so when you take this on to the other side then, so 3 is made there before. When you take this on the other side, okay, let me take this 3 to this side, this part. So that means we have our 5 square minus, we come to the here, to the minus, as minus 3 or 3 square. So here it will be equal to 5 squared, that is 25, was minus what? 9. Okay, so 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16, right? So you have a y squared is equal to 16. Now to get the value of y here now, which is our opposite, you have to take the square of both sides. Okay, the square root of both sides. So that will be equal to square root of y squared, okay, equal to, that is square root of 16. Take the square root of 16. So this one we cancel this, okay? So it means that our y now is equal to the square of 16, that is equal to 4. So that means that our opposite is equal to 4. So opposite is equal to 4. So therefore now y is equal to 4. So that is equal to 4. That is opposite is equal to 4. And if you look at our tan s, our tan s is equal to what? Opposite over adjacent. So what are we working towards again? So this is opposite is equal to 4, and our adjacent is equal to what? 3. So you can say what? You can say that therefore our tan s is equal to, that is opposite over adjacent. Okay. And our opposite is equal to 4, that is equal to what? 4 over adjacent is equal to 3, that is equal to 3. So that means the answer is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, that means equal to 4 over 3, or you can convert it to improper fashion, according to improper fashion. If you convert, okay, let's see the option we have before I decide that. Let's see the option we have here. Maybe we have 4 over 3. So we have we don't have 4 over 3, we have 3 over 4. So the answer is not 3 over 4. From the given expression, the answer is not, this one is 3 over 4. It's not 3 over 4. So if you look at it now, I think the answer should be in mixed fashion. So let's convert into mixed fashion, and let's say what we have as our answer. So how many 3 can you see in 4? That is 1. It goes in 1 time. So mean that tan s is equal to 3 can see in 4, that is 1. It goes in 1 time, that is 1 number. Okay, what's remainder of 1? That is remainder of 1 over 3. So this should be the answer. That is tan s is equal to 1 number 1 over 3. That is tan s. So let's say maybe we have it in the option. I think we have it. That is option C. So that is also C is the correct answer to this given question. So that is option C. So that's, guys, that is how you solve this mathematics question. So follow us for the next interesting class for this upcoming WAEC Jamb examination. Thank you.